In this video I'll show you how to remove your automatic shifter knob from your Nissan Sentra 2007 to 2012. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or a prying tool. All you need to do is slide down this chrome-like plastic. Alright, now you'll have a metal pin to remove. It's a bit hard to see, but there will be a small metal clip that you need to slide forwards. It's really important here that you put your hand in front of it, because it will fly away if you don't, and I bet you will never find it. So this is how it looks like. I'll show you better in a few seconds. You see, it's there and you really need to push it. There's no other way to explain it. Your shifter knob will slide right off. So I'll put it back just to show you even better. So this is the way you'll find it. You see? You need to take your flathead screwdriver and really find a way to push it forward. Like this. Here we go. So that's all you need to do.